Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook group. Let's get straight to knowing how to create a Facebook group. First, go to Facebook, then go to the menu, select groups, and tap on the plus icon. It will create a group button. Then, in the create a group window, enter a name for your group. After that, select a group type. You can choose from a public group, a closed group, or a secret group. Select a privacy setting. You can choose from public, friends of friends, or only me. After that, add a description for your group. This will help people understand what your group is about. Next, upload the cover photo for your group. This will help make your group more visually appealing. And click on the Create Group button to create your group. Once you have created your group, you can start adding members, and you can invite people to join your group by sending them a link or by adding them directly. You can also promote your group by sharing it on your timeline on other social media channels. The 6 tips to engage and manage your Facebook group. First, create a welcoming environment. Second, schedule regular posts. Third, host live events. Fourth, recognize and reward active members. Fifth, facilitate network and collaboration. Sixth, run challenges, contests, or polls. One of the most crucial steps in creating and managing a Facebook group is to analyze, monitor your group's performance. This is where Facebook Group Insights comes into play. This powerful tool allows you to track engagement and monitor your group's activity levels, providing valuable data to understand your group's performance and make informed decisions to improve engagement. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.